Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google form for multiple languages. So the first thing that you want to do is first go to the three dots options up here, then click on Get Add-ons. And in the search bar, you want to search for Pretty Forms Designer. Then you want to install this specific add-on, so just click on Install, click on Continue. Then you want to choose your account. And after that, just click on Done, then close the window. And in order for you to use this add-on, your form should be published as well. So if it's not yet published, just click on the Publish button up here. And then after you've installed the add-on, this puzzle piece icon will appear up here. So just click on it. Then click on Pretty Forms Designer. Click on Open Form Designer. Then click on Setup Form Designer. Then over here at the top, you want to click on these settings. Then click on Enable Multiple Language Support. Then over here, you want to choose the default language. So for me, it's going to be English. Then click on Additional Languages. Then you want to go ahead and select another language that you want for your form. Then just click on OK. Then after that, this drop-down button will appear here, which you can click and choose the other language that you have. Then you're just going to click on your form over here. Then you can just go ahead and click on Write Content in the language that you chose. Then just click on this Google Translate logo, and it will automatically translate the form for you. Then you're going to click on Save. Then just click on OK. Now if you click on Preview over up here, it will open a new tab and you can see the preview. As you can see, the language selection is up here at the corner. And then if I choose the other language that I had, you will see that the form was translated as I did earlier. So that's it. Thanks for watching.